Video in which I will tell you about autoimmune diseases. So here I start. An article in the Statesman newspaper by Mr. S. Anantha Narayan made me very much prodigious and letting me to ponder if the matter was either believable or not. From childhood, we have been admonished to be healthy by remaining ourselves neat, clean and hygienic. But will you believe if I tell you that being too much hygienic can trigger harmful diseases in our own body? This is the fact which is revealed in that article. Let me say you about that article in my own words, taking the clues from the scriber. Our body mechanism is such that whenever any foreign particle enters our body, the immune system or defense organization gets immediately activated. Actually, when any infection occurs in our body, dendritic cells, a kind of immune cell, spawns T cells on demand, which fights against infection, and these dendritic cells exercise control by creating T cells provided that a pathogen enters our body. T regulatory cells, a subset of T cells, in turn examines the dendritic cells to be activated in case of a strong immune action in a filthy and unhygienic situations. But in a clean, hygienic and neat environment, the mechanism of the dendritic cells producing T cells and T cells inhibiting dendritic cells can reverse, resulting in autoimmune diseases, means the diseases which are caused due to our self-immune system. Associate Professor Barbara Fazekas of the Centenary Institute of Cancer Medicine and Cell Biology in Newtown, New South Wales, Australia, tells that when pathogens, bacteria or harmful microorganisms do not attack our body for a prolonged time, that would provide a genuine role for dendritic cells. Sooner or later, the cells stimulate the T cells to attack our body's own proteins and cause autoimmune and inflammatory diseases, including cardiovascular disease and diabetes. This research is therefore noteworthy, and I get baffled if the cause of my own disease is the finding by her. Hence, I would say everybody to be neat and clean, along with being dirty sometimes and filthy also, and unhygienic sometimes, as we know that everything has its positive as well as its negative effects, and too much of anything is bad for our health. Thank you.